So basically, we were walking to the food court for our lunch, and then while walking, we saw some kind people feeding a bird some raw rice. And then look at these, all the birdies. There's one pigeon there. Hey, Pidgey, go eat the rice. It's nice. Look at it, the brown pigeon, brown pigeons. Oh, and look at that, there's a pigeon up there. Let me see this smaller. Oh, and he flew down. Hey, where's that bird, man? Oh, it's there. That was the one chirping, the one up there. You see it? I'm going nearer. It's eating a pound of rice. Birdies, don't be scared. I'm not gonna hurt you. I don't know. I believe I can talk to birds. You see that white thing in the middle? That's wait a second. That white thing in the middle is the rice. It's the rice. See, I'm so near to it, but it's not scared. Don't worry, birdies. Oh, it is! Ah! Look at it. I thought it wasn't scared. Oh, come on.
Okay. You stop.
Wait a second, I'm like, hey, piggies, oh, don't poop on me. Ah, don't poop on me. Look at that, all the rice. Stop it, buddies. I think it's gonna poop on me.